In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to temporarily mute notifications in Gmail. If you need a quick break from pings and pop-ups without turning anything off permanently, Gmail has a built-in option that makes this really simple. It's called Do Not Disturb, and it works right from the Gmail interface. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing in. Look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small status indicator near your profile picture that shows your current availability. Most of the time, this reads active. This little menu controls whether Gmail and Google Chat notify you in real time. Click that status indicator to open the status menu. From here, you'll see a few choices. To temporarily mute notifications, select Do Not Disturb. As soon as you choose it, Gmail stops sending you notification banners and sounds for new emails and chats, letting you focus without interruptions. You'll still receive everything as normal. Messages continue to arrive in your inbox and chat messages appear in Google Chat, but the alerts won't pop up and break your flow. This is especially helpful during meetings, deep work sessions, or when you just need a moment of quiet. Think of it as putting your notifications on pause rather than turning anything off or missing important communications. Your messages are still there. You're simply choosing when to engage with them. You may notice a small change in your status icon after selecting Do Not Disturb, which is a quick visual reminder that notifications are muted. If someone sends you a chat message, they won't get an automatic reply, and nothing is blocked. Your status just signals that you're not currently available to respond immediately. When you're ready to get notifications again, return to the same spot at the top right, click the status indicator, and switch back to active. Your notifications will resume instantly, and any messages that came in while you were in Do Not Disturb will be waiting for you to review. A couple of quick tips to make this work smoothly. Keep Gmail open in a tab if you rely on desktop notifications, and remember that Do Not Disturb is a personal setting. It only affects what you see and hear, not what others can send. If you're working across multiple Google apps, this status often syncs with Google Chat, so you'll enjoy a quieter experience there too. That's all there is to it. By using Do Not Disturb, you can manage your attention without missing anything important. Try it the next time you need a focused stretch of time, and then switch back when you're ready to re-engage.